Hello, my name is D Casanova and welcome to a building tutorial. Now, I want to put this on record. I may be a builder, but I'm not a master, okay? So, if I get anything wrong, that's why. I may be a builder, but I'm not a master. Anyway, now to the matter at hand. This is actually a redstone tutorial because last night during a live stream, two of my friends actually popped on the server and they were really blown away by my castle. Yeah, this way's hey, friend? I have a feeling she was watching me this entire time. Were you watching me? Oh, I had a feeling. Oh man. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, my friend Olivehobbits, she is absolutely amazing. Oh my god. Magical Mayo 37. I know that dude. I know him, I know him, I know him. Push the button and see. Look to the left. Welcome to my land. I'm positive. She thinks I had help. Oh! Oh, wait. Some guys have provided some materials. Oh, which reminds me. And where? There we go. The power of renovation. And I think it was mainly the redstone that caught them, so... Anyway, because I didn't show my process for the redstone system on stream, I think I could probably do a tutorial on it here. Now, I would like to put on record, I did not come up with any of this. This is courtesy of Russell96, I believe. I will have a link to his channel in the description, but yeah. So, anyway, what we will need some pistons, we will need some redstone torches, we'll need some redstone dust, obviously, and we will need some redstone repeaters, and this is just for a start. And we're also going to need some stone because, well, the walls and the towers in my castle, they're primarily stone. Anyway, now, let's get started. Now, my redstone gate is 7 long and 2 blocks thick, so we're going to place a row of 7 like that, and then a row of 7 behind it, and we're going to place another layer of sticky pistons on top of that. Excellent. And then we're going to place blocks like that. And we're also going to want to place blocks on top of here as well, and blocks on the sides of these. And another thing I like to do is I like to place blocks on the sides of these to cap that off. I just do it as a precaution to make sure that nothing on either side will disrupt the redstone that is affiliated with these pistons. Anyway, so now we place redstone torches on this row of stone, and then we take our repeaters and we place them on the sides like that. Now we take our redstone dust and we link all this up together like so. And now, depending on which side you want to have the T flip-flop system, I think it's probably going to be safe for me to do it on this side. So, on the ends, I place down the redstone repeaters, and then bring those along. There's a block right here, and I also place a block right there. I think it's supposed to help with the pulse evening out. Like I said, this is not my design. I borrowed this from somebody else. So, anyway, place a redstone torch there, break it, and then replace it, and the whole system is now collapsed. Now, for the fun bit, replace, well, from this block going directly into it, place a repeater on 2 ticks of delay, or 3 delay if you will, and then behind that, replace the block below with a sticky piston, and then place a block right there. Place a repeater going into that on full delay. Block right there. A block right there. Place a repeater going into there on default delay. And then I believe a repeater going into this block on full delay. And I think I actually messed that up. The repeater's supposed to go that way. My mistake. And then we have a repeater going into this block, and then a repeater right next to this block, but not going into it. You'll see why. Place a redstone there, and then we have a sticky piston going into that block. And then, if I remember, this repeater's going straight that way, because there's a sticky piston below that, and then a block there, and then another repeater on full delay, I think, then a block there, and then a piece of redstone, like that. And now we want to get a block of redstone, place that right there, and then we have a repeater going into there, another sticky piston, and a block on top of that, and I place repeaters. It's on either side, like that, and some redstone dust going into that. And that's basically the whole T flip-flop system right there. And now we get to the fun bit. Built all of this up. And I might have overbuilt that, but I'm going to ignore that for the time being. And there we go. Now, the dimensions of my gates, it's got a 14 square unit base, and it goes up 5 blocks, and then it also has black wool, because I don't have access to black concrete. And it really doesn't matter whether it's concrete or wool, because it'll still give off the illusion that the gate is vanishing into shadows. And then, yeah, place a few more blocks like that, so I was just fine. Anyway, I'll move that out of the way, because now we also need regular pistons. So, the very top of this are sticky pistons all across here. And then down below that, we have normal pistons. And you'll see why in a moment. Anyway, let's build the stone along there, and then place stone across there. And that looks to be right. And now we can finish filling in this whole gate system. Okay, so now that I have the gate all built and filled in, now we can get to the fun part, putting the redstone up here. So the way I do it with this bit is I place redstone repeaters there, and a line of redstone like that, and I put these repeaters on 1 tick of delay, or 2 delay, if you will. And then I place repeaters up here and redstone along the sides of these pistons there, but we don't add any delay on that. And now I need another block. I need the slab. Yeah, this'll do. This'll do just fine. So I link the redstone like that, and then we gotta make our way down to the bottom. I'm not gonna need those anymore. And of course I have broken the system there. But don't worry, I'll fix it. Oh, I could have just placed it right there. Ah, jeez. But don't worry, when we're all done, it'll be fixed. You'll see. And then redstone like that. So I have this shape going on pretty much. And then we build up using half slabs, and then that should all be linked up. And now for the button, well, the way I do it in my little castle world, basically, I use a lot of the inverted system. And then place a redstone torch there, piece of redstone above that, and above here, I'm pretty sure this is where the button would be. So we grab a button, place it there, and now there. I fixed it. And that's basically the basic idea behind the redstone gate. And I suppose while I'm here I could show you how I make my arch. I'm pretty sure I have the stone slab, and I also need stone stairs. Okay. Now the way I build the arch is I go up 3 blocks, and then on the 4th one I place a stair there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then build that out. And then I put 2 more stairs on either side, and then a slab there, and then I fill the rest of it in with stone. And then let's repeat this on the other side, like that. And then let's build this along like that. And that looks good. Now we can repeat due process on the other side, because well, the walls are 6 thick with a 4 block inside. So anyway, so we have stairs like that. We go up 2, and then stairs like that. Slab right there. And yep, that looks correct. At this point, we can pretty much cover up the rest of the system like that. And yeah, it'll all look good. I'm going to repeat this due process to the other side, like that. And stairs. Oops. And there we go. So, hopefully you learned a little something about the redstone system from this tutorial. Once again, this is not my design. I borrowed this from Russell96. Once again, I will have his link in the description. I have been your host, D. Casanova. I hope I helped you in some way, and I hope to catch everybody next time. Goodbye!
Mate, are you having a bubble bath?
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.